The red squirrel is a charismatic and ecologically significant species found across the forests of Europe and parts of Asia. With its vibrant coat and bushy tail, the red squirrel has captured the admiration of people and the interest of ecologists alike. Red squirrels belong to the family Sciuridae, which includes tree squirrels, ground squirrels, chipmunks, marmots, and prairie dogs. The species name, Sciurus vulgaris, reflects its historical abundance. The red squirrel is native to a vast range that extends from Western Europe to Eastern Asia, including Great Britain, Ireland, and parts of Russia and China. Despite this broad distribution, red squirrels are notably absent from some regions, particularly areas dominated by the more competitive gray squirrel, which was introduced from North America. In these regions, red squirrel populations have significantly declined. Red squirrels are easily recognizable by their distinctive reddish-brown fur, though this can vary from bright orange to almost black depending on the time of year and geographic location. They typically weigh between 250 to 350 grams and measure about 20 to 23 centimeters in body length, with their bushy tails adding an additional 15 to 20 centimeters. A notable feature of red squirrels is their ear tufts, which are more pronounced in the winter months. These tufts, along with their large, expressive eyes and agile movements, give them a charming appearance. Red squirrels are primarily forest dwellers, favoring coniferous woodlands but also inhabiting mixed and broadleaf forests. Their habitat preference is closely tied to their diet, which largely consists of seeds from conifer trees such as Scots pine, Norway spruce, and larch. In broadleaf forests, they feed on acorns, hazelnuts, and beech nuts. Their diet is quite varied, though, and they will also consume fungi, fruits, berries, bark, sap, and occasionally bird eggs and insects. Red squirrels are known for their behavior of caching food items for the winter months, a practice critical for their survival during times when food is scarce. Red squirrels are diurnal, meaning they are active during the day. They are solitary animals, each maintaining its own territory, which it defends vigorously against intruders. These territories range from 1 to 3 hectares, depending on the quality of the habitat. Breeding typically occurs twice a year, with the primary mating season in late winter and a secondary season in the summer. After a gestation period of about 38 to 39 days, females give birth to a litter of 3 to 5 young, known as kittens. These kittens are born blind and hairless, depending entirely on their mother for the first few weeks of life. They begin to venture out of the nest at around 7 to 8 weeks old and are weaned by 10 weeks. Red squirrels play a vital role in forest ecosystems, particularly in seed dispersal. By caching seeds and forgetting some of these food stores, they help in the propagation of trees. This behavior contributes significantly to forest regeneration and biodiversity. One of the key adaptations of red squirrels is their strong and sharp claws, which enable them to climb trees with agility. They also have excellent spatial memory, aiding them in relocating their cached food. Their incisors grow continuously, necessitating constant gnawing to keep them at a manageable length. The red squirrel faces numerous threats, the most significant of which is competition from the gray squirrel. Gray squirrels, introduced to the UK and parts of Europe in the 19th and early 20th centuries, outcompete red squirrels for food and habitat. Moreover, gray squirrels carry the squirrel pox virus, to which they are largely immune but which is deadly to red squirrels. Habitat loss and fragmentation also pose substantial threats. Deforestation for agriculture, urban development, and logging reduces the available habitat for red squirrels, further exacerbating their decline. Conservation efforts are focused on habitat protection and restoration, control of gray squirrel populations, and research into squirrel pox vaccines. In some areas, reintroduction programs have been initiated to bolster red squirrel numbers. Red squirrels hold a special place in the cultural heritage of many countries. In the UK, they are a symbol of native wildlife, often featured in literature, art, and folklore. Their presence is seen as an indicator of healthy forest ecosystems.